Cheap and simple life hacks. Magnetic notepad. Alright, let's see what we've got here. I've got my soda, marshmallow fluff, graham crackers, and chocolate. Oh no, I forgot to buy milk. I've got an idea to make sure this never happens again. Take a wooden cutting board and roll of paper. Grab a glue gun and 4 little circular magnets. Glue them each one by one to the board. Press them down to make sure they stick. See? Just like this. Flip the board over and take 2 stretchy rubber bands. Loop one under the other and pull. It should make a knot. Push pin time. Take 2 push pins and stick them into the sides of the board. Pull the rubber band through the paper roll and hang each end on a push pin. Cute flower. Oh, we can add that for decoration. Use a hot glue gun to stick it onto the board. Add confetti. Grab your glue gun again and add little glue dots around the board. Stick the confetti on top of the glue. Roll a little bit of paper out and you are free to write your shopping list. Isn't it so cute? Now you'll never forget to buy everything you need. Magazine holder. Grab an old hanger and place it on some pretty construction paper. Add ribbons. Oh, not yet. Bend the sides of the hanger until they stand up. Stand the hanger up so that the sides are its legs. Fold it a little more and pull the top of the hanger up straight. Now you've created a nifty little magazine rack, but we have to make it pretty. It's time for the ribbon. For real this time. Ball the ribbon up. Take a rubber band and put it on the ribbon. Hold one end of the ribbon at the top of the rack and start to twirl it around the magazine rack. Keep going, keep going. Twirl until the whole rack has changed color. Cut off the extra ribbon, only leaving a little tail. Use your scissors to cut a line straight up half of the tail. Wrap it around the top of the hanger and tie the 2 strands into a cute little bow. Cute! Looks so sturdy. Let's test it out. 1 magazine, 2. Works perfectly. Good job! Travel-sized toiletries. Gotta have the essentials whenever you travel. But wait, these bottles are too big. What about these? Take your shampoo and a thick straw. Cut the straw in half. Repeat with another straw. Have your clip ready. Fill up one end of the straw with hot glue and then clamp it shut. Repeat with the other straw that you cut as well. Once you take the clamp off, the end should be sealed. Cut off a little bit of the end. Now you can pour your liquids into the straw. Just make sure you pour hot glue into the other end and clamp it up as well. Cut off that end. Look, now you have cute little containers of all of your essentials. Pro tip, writing the name of the product on the tube will help you to keep from putting toothpaste in your hair or something else embarrassing. Pack them all into your little bag. You just turned this airport no-no into a travel-friendly container. Icing bottle. Oh, this cupcake looks so delicious. No, I forgot icing. Not to worry, we can make an icing bottle to go. Take a tube of toothpaste and empty out the whole tube. Use scissors to cut off the end of the tube. Add an icing nozzle to the end where the toothpaste used to come out. Scoop some icing into a tube. A little bit more couldn't hurt. Roll up the end and close it with a clip. Now, back to that cupcake. Swirl the icing on. It's going to be so much better with this icing. Sprinkle time! Yum! It's the perfect treat. I'm just gonna take a quick bite. So good! That's it for cheap and simple life hacks. Which hacks are you going to try? Let us know in the comments. Thanks for watching and see you next time.